Alright, in this video we're going to discuss the definitions of the sine and cosine functions. The sine and cosine functions. Alright, so let's start with the sine function. The sine function, denoted sine of theta, denotes each angle theta with the vertical coordinate of the point P specified by theta on the circumference of the unit circle. So the point P specified by theta on the circumference of a unit circle. Let's go ahead and figure out what that means. We've got in our diagram here at the bottom of the page, a unit circle is drawn. So we see it's got a radius of 1 unit, and we put angle theta in standard position here in the unit circle, and we found the point P that angle theta specifies. We've got this point P that the angle theta specifies, and we've been told that the sine of theta represents the vertical coordinate of the point specified by theta, so sine must be this height off of the x-axis of the point P. All right, and then cosine of theta, let's get a nicer little bracket there, is denoted cosine theta, and it denotes each angle theta with the horizontal coordinate of the point P specified by theta on the circumference of a unit circle. So we've got the same scenario with angle theta in standard position here, and point P specified by theta on our unit circle. And cosine is the cosine of the angle theta is the horizontal coordinate of the point specified by theta, so cosine of theta must be that distance there along the x-axis, and that means that this point P has coordinates cosine theta, sine theta. Alright, now we can use this definition in a quick example. In this example, we're told that the angle theta specifies the point -3/5, 4/5 on the circumference of a unit circle. So we've got a diagram here with the angle theta in standard position in a unit circle, and that angle theta specifies this point P, -3/5, 4/5. And we're asked to find the sine of the angle theta. The sine of an angle is the y-coordinate, the vertical coordinate of the point specified by the angle. So this value here, 4/5, is our sine value. So the sine of the angle theta is 4/5. And the cosine of an angle is the x-coordinate, or the horizontal coordinate, of the point specified by the angle. So the cosine value is that x-coordinate, -3/5. So the cosine of the angle is -3/5. And those are our two values.